Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 different ways to locate the terminal command prompt on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the terminal command prompt, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Search for the terminal command prompt. Enter to open up the terminal command prompt application. There we go. That's number 1. To open up terminal, let's close terminal. Now let's go all the way down to the dock again. Go to Finder. Go to Applications, locate Utilities, search for terminal. There we go on screen. Open up the application. There we have terminal on screen. Command plus a couple of times to increase the text on screen. Close terminal. Now let's use a spotlight search via Command and Space to search for the terminal application. Enter to open up the terminal on screen, and there we go. So that's 3 different ways to open up and locate the terminal application. We can now quit terminal. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.